It's February 20th, 2011. I'm in Central Park, entering at the 59th Street and 5th Avenue entrance, and it's beautiful. It had just snowed here in New York, and many people are coming out to take pictures of the just incredibly white wonderland that exists here. Central Park has to be one of the most beautiful parks in the world. And when it snows or in the fall, when the leaves have turned, it's just an exquisite place to be, to enjoy all the wonders that nature has to offer. This is just an incredibly nice experience this morning. It's about 11 o'clock, and I'm thoroughly enjoying this look at the park on a very special day.